Monday, July 3rd. Happy 4th of July tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope we don't get rained out or you don't have any storms. I hope you get to see the fireworks, spend time with family, friends, good food, all that stuff. We actually, this weekend, Sunday, out at our lake house, they did the fireworks on Sunday. So I feel like the 4th of July is already over. I had everybody there, all the kids, extra kids, food. We did sliders and hot dogs and potato salad and coleslaw, you know, stuff you're supposed to do. I made a blueberry cream pie. We picked blueberries in the morning with Allison, which was so fun. Anyway, that was yesterday. I cleaned up today. The house is quiet. Everybody's gone. But we will celebrate tomorrow. We'll spend the day on the lake and it'll be lovely. I think my son and his girlfriend will come and her kids, so it'll be great. I want to show you this. It's July. We can think about Christmas in July. Look at this. Signature 4-ply West Yorkshire Spinners Christmas striping yarn. Got to make a pair of socks. Got to make a pair of socks. It is 437 yards. It's 75 wool, 25 nylon. It's called Candy Cane, and it's $21 a skein. So grab it while you can. I have 9 skeins left. I just got in 10, and I have 9 skeins left. So somebody was excited to get it ahead of time. All right, that's the plan for the weekend. Cast those on, right? We will be closed tomorrow. For everybody's 4th and to remember this day of freedom and independence. It's always a lovely thought. Nothing like some fireworks to make it special. And we will be back open on Wednesday and looking forward to it. It'll be Wednesday. It'll be the first Wednesday in July, so it will be social knitting and bingo. Got to have some bingo. Call us if you are out of town and don't live here and you want some of this Yorkshire Spinners. Call us, 910-692-3528. All right. Happy day tomorrow. I'll see you Thursday. Nope, I'll see you Wednesday.